I'm going to talk about the smoothing control for the brush tool. So I'm going to start by making a purposely shaky line. All right, and my smoothing control is set at 0. So let's bump it up to 100 and do the same kind of shaky line. And you can see that Photoshop is sort of figuring out an average to my brush stroke and smoothing it out for me. So it comes down to, do you prefer an accurate line or a smooth line? It'll all depend on your drawing style. As I'm drawing the line, the moment I lift it up off the canvas, it will stop the stroke. And you can see there's quite a bit of distance to where I lifted up my pen to where the stroke ends. So when you draw on your line, pause at the end and let it catch up. There is a control that you can select here, Ketchup Stroke End. So when I draw the line and lift up the pen, it'll snap to the last point that my pen was touching the screen. Another control is the pull string mode. And this one's nice. So as I'm drawing the line, you can see it starts to circle, and I can stop, go back into the circle, and won't keep drawing until I go back out of the circle, and I can change the path of my line. But if you need to really turn it off, if you go into the brush palette, you can see right here smoothing, you can click it off there.